and heparin, others such as the eosinophils are neutralizing histamine and actually starting with a wound healing process. Macrophages are there to really kind of ingest microbes, so they just kind of come along and swallow them and ingest them, and they're releasing different chemical factors which then attract other immune cells to be able to deal with that antigen. Whereas your natural killer cells are just destroying infected cells. So we can see they've got this kind of close interplay. They're working as a team with what they're doing as part of the immune response. The adaptive immune system, this involves the B cells and the T cells. So they both begin life as stem cells in bone marrow, which is why bone marrow is such a key part of our immune system. The T cells then migrate to the thymus gland up in the chest, where thymosin stimulates their maturation. And the thymus gland is a bit like boot camp for the T cells. It's where they really kind of get shaped up. And if they're not going to function properly, if they're not going to work, then they're just eliminated. So this is really where the T cells grow and develop. And they then reside within the thymus and also in lymphatic tissue throughout the body. Whereas B cells, they develop within the bone marrow and they're located in the blood and the lymphatic tissue. So then within the adaptive immunity, we also have two branches here, so it branches off even further. So we've got the antibody mediated, which involves the B cells. Now within these B cells, they contain what are called endoplasmic reticulum, which if we think back to cellular biology, lots of cells have these endoplasmic reticulum in there. It's like little compartments within the cells. B cells have lots of them, and within there they are excuse me, synthesizing and releasing the immunoglobulins. So you might have heard of these immunoglobulins in terms of allergic responses. Let's get rid of that frog in my throat there. So IgG antibodies, we know